This is American Nomad News. Darren Marchant reporting.
Okay, so here's a little extension on this project I've been following on some of my videos. And these guys are putting these rebar cages up, and that's what it looks like inside those concrete columns. And they're working pretty hard. They're working around in all that mud and hazardous stuff, and they got all their safety equipment on. They're doing everything by the procedure. They got guys watching everything. See how many setups they got? They're going to put a lot of reinforcement in. You can kind of tell some of what they're going to do, how big of an off-ramp or on-ramp or whatever it is that they're going to do, by just the foundations they're putting in. And those foundations are not very far apart. They're building this thing to hold a lot of weight. It's pretty cool work. You can see off in the distance behind kind of the extension of the bridge work they're making back there. They got the molds sitting up there ready to go. They cleaned them out the other day. There you go. Technical difficulties! Music show.
Moto latte grande, please give to me.
Colorado! coffee. I have coffee. I have coffee. I want coffee. I want coffee. I want coffee. I want coffee. I have coffee. I have coffee. I have coffee. I want coffee. I want coffee. I want coffee. I have coffee. I have coffee. I have coffee. I want coffee. I want coffee. I want coffee. I have coffee. I have coffee. I have coffee. I want coffee. I want coffee. I want coffee. I have coffee. I have coffee. I have coffee. I want coffee. I want coffee.
Mocha!
I want coffee. I have coffee. I have coffee.
Mocha!
I have coffee. I have coffee.
Mocha!
I want coffee. I want
Mocha!
I have coffee. I have coffee. I have coffee.
want coffee. I have coffee. I have coffee.
Amaretto.
Mocha!
Amaretto.
Mo!
And though he didn't sponsor this show, I would like you to take a look at Tony's music and pass this guy some love.